How to add location on Facebook page. So adding location on Facebook page is quite easy and simple. Just make sure to watch the video till the end. First of all, open Facebook app and then make sure to switch your Facebook account to the Facebook page. If you don't know how to do it, tap on the three line icon at the top right corner, and then on this drop down box you can simply select the arrow, and from here you can easily choose your Facebook page. Once done, come back to this home screen. To add the location on Facebook page, select the three line menu icon at the top right corner and select the profile. Once you're on this profile page of your Facebook page, you need to select the three dots next to advertise, and here on this page setting select edit icon. And once you're on this edit page, you have to scroll all the way down, and on this details you need to select the edit icon again. Now on this edit, you will see that I already have added location on Facebook page. You can also further edit it. So on this, instead of this location, you will see add location option or add your address. So you can simply tap on this edit icon next to this location. If you already have added also, no worries for that. So you can easily update the page info. If your page doesn't have a street, you can also select it. So you can delete it and write in wherever you'd like to. So you can easily write, and after that you can tap on save button. Once done, you can also add the town or city postcode and the add map location as well. So let's tap on save, and you need to refresh this page and select the save button. Once done, you can easily check your email or address of your Facebook page. So in this way you can successfully add location on Facebook page. So I hope this video was helpful. If this video worked for you, then make sure to hit the like button. If you are new to our channel, then do subscribe it and press the notification bell for more updates. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.